Your wedding day is so full of emotions. Friends, pictures, food, congratulations. The day seems to fly by. I want you two to take a deep breath and look into each other's eyes deeper. Think about the happiness you're feeling right now. Don't ever forget the true love you feel in this moment, because it will get you through even the toughest times in your lives.
There's a window I have open, I'll never let it close. Through it I find it, everything I need to know.
Once said, you have to take a leap of faith in yourself. No matter what it's in life, take that leap of faith and know that you can do whatever you want to do. Exactly what I did.
Beautiful.
A hole in the sky, a way to see the space between the answer and the why. You need a brilliant light, a way to find.
Marriage is comprised of dependence and independence. You must allow each other the freedom to change and grow as individuals, while all the while becoming more inseparable and in love with each passing day. Love isn't just a feeling in your heart or just a word you say every day. Love is an action. It's something you do by showing respect, kindness, understanding, and by putting the needs of the one you love before your own.
Something peaceful about the way it feels tonight. It's inside.
I never thought that one Labor Day weekend in 2011 to deliver your penguin stuffed animal would lead to this day.
Ngan always brings a smile on my face, and I truly admire how honest and true you are to other people.
I flew over 1,500 miles to deliver a penguin. Maybe I was naive to think there was nothing more than a simple gift. Our first date that weekend really showed me that you were more than just a girl obsessed with penguins, but a beautiful, caring, funny, and always carried with you a smile unlike any other.
We have all gathered here to bear witness as Huy Ngọc Ngan and Nguyễn Chí Hieu pledge their love and lives to one another as husband and wife. Marriage is a contract not to be entered into lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously, and with the deep realization of the obligations and responsibilities. Marriage is the moment where your hearts and souls are joined together for eternity.
Happy marriage is about three things: memories of togetherness, forgiveness of mistakes, and a promise to never give up on each other.
Hieu, do you take Ngan to be your wife, your partner in life, and your one true love? Will you give your hand, your heart, and your love from this day forward for as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the bride family, I am grateful to all of you for being here tonight, for taking your precious time in order to be here, especially with two very important persons tonight that are Ngan and Hieu. Your presence here tonight is absolutely an honor for our family. We'll be celebrating the most wonderful time with their family tonight.
This is our official love letter to each other. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful wedding. Let's dance and party Love always. Chúc chúc and Ngan.
Past year, you're working through wedding planning. All that work will be shown today. And I'm looking forward to see you in your beautiful dress. I hope you will enjoy this day with me every step of the way. And Hieu.
Ngan, do you take Hieu to be your husband? Will you give your hand, your heart, and your love from this day forward for as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
With you, I felt a belonging, someone whom I can always be myself. I love being able to always tell you how I feel and knowing that you will be there to listen.
Ngan and Hieu have promised to one another before all of you their love and commitment to each other. They set their vows and they have given and received rings. So now, by the power vested in me, the great state of California, I'd like to announce you husband and wife, and you make history a beautiful bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Nguyen Chi Hieu and Huỳnh Ngọc Ngan.
No matter what happens to us in the future, this story will go on. And know that no matter how hard life will get, know that deep down, you can always rely on me. I love you.